Evolution and Creationism. de-Pomerai, New College, University of Edinburgh. The concept of evolution. Nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of evolution, as Theodosius Dobzhansky remarked in 1973. Evolution is the underlying process that gave rise to the prodigious variety of living organisms on Earth, otherwise biodiversity, including ourselves. It has generated countless new species during the history of life, of which 99% are now extinct. Each species is adapted to its local environment or ecological niche, but changes in climate, geography, or biotic factors such as other organisms alter that environment over varying timescales, causing extinction or providing opportunities to diversify into new, better adapted species, termed speciation. 5 mass extinction events have punctuated Earth's history, the most recent wiping out dinosaurs about 66 million years ago. There is little doubt that a 6th such event has been set in motion by anthropogenic climate change. Current evolutionary ideas stem principally from Charles Darwin's Origin of Species in 1859. Evolution can be summarized as descent with modification, but this phrase requires unpicking. Animals or plants normally give rise to similar offspring despite minor variations. The so-called neo-Darwinian synthesis combines Darwin's insights with those of genetics, stemming from Mendel's work on the inheritance of traits. Descent in multicellular organisms usually involves 2 sets of genetic information, DNA, derived from the father and the mother. This diploid genome consists of long sequences of DNA termed chromosomes, which include the genes, each specifying 1 or more proteins that contribute to the characteristics of the offspring. Variant versions of the same gene, known as alleles, often differ in function to a greater or lesser extent. However, protein-coding genes comprise only a small fraction of the total DNA genome, and much of the rest has regulatory functions that are not yet fully understood. Some genes are duplicated, and extra copies may become redundant pseudogenes or specialize for new functions. Darwin envisaged a tree of life whose branches ramify into new species twigs. The fact that all living things use DNA as their genetic material, with similar mechanisms for translating that information via RNA into proteins, implies that they have all diversified from a common ancestor.